This is Margot's kitchen, and I'm making a strawberry roll. First, you have to preheat the oven to 375. You need a jelly roll pan, which you line with wax paper. And now comes the tricky part. You need 4 eggs, and you have to separate the 4 eggs. Now that's the trickiest thing. So here we go. Oh my God. Uh-oh. This egg is no good. I need another egg. Because you cannot have no yellow in it. Okay, I gotta get another egg. And a half a cup of sugar. Now you beat up the egg yolk. You use about 1/4 of a cup of sugar. It takes a little while. And take the rest of the sugar. See, it's sort of looking creamy. Okay, now you put the 2 of them together very, very, very gentle. So far we have 4 eggs, a teaspoon vanilla. Now I have 2/3 cup of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. We dump that in the mixture of egg whites and the egg yolks. And you stir it very, very, very gentle. That's the way what it looks like. Now you pour it in the jelly roll pan, which is lined with wax paper. Pour it in there.
I can't tell which one it is until it actually tells me.
In the meantime, you have your oven preheated to 375, and it only takes about 8 to 10 minutes to bake. And I'm going to set my timer to about 8 minutes. And then I look, and maybe it takes another 2 minutes. Now in the meantime, while it bakes, I'm get it in a towel, a tea towel. I spread it out on my counter and coat the towel with the powdered sugar. Excuse me, I gotta get it powdered sugar. Okay. As soon as the cake is finished, you dump it on that towel and you rip off the wax paper and you roll it up. That's all there is to it. Now I'm taking the paper out. It shouldn't be sticking, but it is. Usually it comes off better than this time.
What happens if some of the paper gets stuck on there and you eat it?
No, never happened. But it won't hurt you, I guess. Okay, now I roll it up. This is how it gets its shape. It's warm, and I'm just going to leave it lay in here till it gets nice and cool, and then I make the filling. I got 2 baskets of strawberry, which I got in my little mixer because it's better when you break the strawberries up for a little bit. And you gotta make your whipping cream. Then you dump the strawberries in there, very gentle. And start your filling. That's all there is to it. Now I mix the whipping cream with the strawberries. Then I'm opening up. It fell a little bit apart, but it's okay. Now I'm putting the filling in. I spread it on it the best I can. And actually it's really good if it's a day old because it really soaks in. Makes it nice and soft. Now I'm going to have a big platter and transfer it on this. And the rest of it I'll put on top and around. Yes, the strawberries were a little bit watery. Didn't turn out as nice as usual. I just decorated it a little bit. Okay, that should do it. Well, this is the finished product. Usually the whipping cream should be more firmer, but I'm sure it's going to taste all right, especially if it rests for overnight. I used 2 boxes of strawberries, and I put them in the blender for just a second to crush them a little bit. Then I had a pint of whipping cream, and I had to add a lot of sugar. I didn't even measure, I just tested it. I would say probably 3/4 cup of sugar, because the strawberries really weren't that sweet yet. I'm a little bit disappointed the way it turned out, but at least you get an idea. It shouldn't be that runny, but I'm sure it's going to taste okay.